Hi, today I'm ready for POCO X6 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without a device help. So we got two ways how we could do that. You could all find in Tools folder here scanner icon. Just tap on it, click to agree while using the app, and now we should place the QR code inside of this frame by this way. Just to open the QR code, be sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and now you could copy this link or to send it to someone or just to open in browser successfully. And also one more way, just open the control panel and find here scanner icon, and by the same way open it, just place QR code inside of the frame, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.